How to get rid of frequently visited sites on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to get rid of frequently visited sites on iPhone. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure first that your iOS is up to date. So, to ensure that your iOS is up to date, simply go to your settings, scroll down and look for General, and then click on it. Once you're in General, go to Software Update right here, and then wait for it to load. Also, do take note that you should be connected to a Wi-Fi or to your mobile data in order to check the latest version of the iOS. And then simply click on Download and Install found on the bottommost part of the page. Assuming that now you have updated your iOS, you may now proceed to Safari. So, once you're in Safari, what I would like you to do is to simply scroll down to the bottom of the page. So, if you have an open site, make sure to close the site first. So, for example, I'll open Google, and then this is the default one. Once I open Safari, for example, I open Safari and there is a link or a site that I have visited. I'll just simply close it first and make sure that I am this home page. So scroll down and go to Edit, and then you may be able to see the frequently visited option right here. So simply click on the toggle button on the rightmost part of frequently visited, and then as you can see now, it has been removed on this part. You may also just rearrange this one if you want to. So simply press and hold into this button right here, and then for example, you place it there. And as you can see right here, the frequently visited is on the last part of the page. So that's it. That's how you can get rid
So that's
of
all for this
frequently
video.
visited
Let me know
sites
in the
on
comments section
iPhone.
if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.